Well, here we are looking at old Mopar here, an old Belvedere. Looks like just probably a 318 car. I don't believe it's a big block. Satellite. Let's see what they got under the hood. I don't know if I can get it. Yeah, can't get the hood open on her. There's an old Biscayne. It's like 58. He's got a bunch of oddball stuff laying around here. '53 Citroen. Pretty rare car. It's like an old Model T or something there. 69 Mustang. This Malibu looks nice. It's like they start restoring these and get them part of the way done. And they try to sell them with paint on them. Dress them up a little bit, no harm, no foul. I always like them Malibu, 65 Chevrolet Malibu. Well, we've got a ton of cars here to look at today, so let me get to it. I just wanted to preview some of this stuff. Wow, look at this one. What year is this? You know what year? What is this? A 31? 31 Chrysler. Wow. The car is beautiful.